Hi guys, and welcome to section 2, thermal curling. This is a 10-minute section, and as soon as we are ready to begin, the verbal instructions will be read, and I'm going to read those to you now. You will now perform thermal curling. You will form 2 curls on the top of the head and 2 curls on one side of the head. A curl must be formed from base to end. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 10 minutes to complete this section, and you will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. Please step back to indicate that you have finished. You may begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is sanitize my hands really nice and well. And then I'm going to test my iron. So in national testing, what they want you to do is grab a neck strip. You're going to clamp the neck strip on one end and slide it all the way through to the end. Once you have done that, you can set your curling iron back down, throw away that test strip into the trash, and then I'm going to pick up my rat tail comb for my sectioning. I'm going to just section out a small section in the front. You are going to want to make sure that your subsections are no larger than your tool that you're using. So I'm using about a 1.5 inch barrel. I'm going to grab about a 1.5 inch subsection. I do want to make sure that my curl is on base, so I'm directing that forward a little bit. So my hair fell out, no big deal. I'm just going to set that curling iron down, reform my subsection, combing it from the base. Alrighty, gonna wrap that to form a full curl all the way down to make sure that I place my comb in between the scalp and the curling iron to protect that from the heat. Hold that for about 3 seconds, roll out, and then let the curl go. Of course, our curling iron isn't on, so it's not going to form a curl. That's okay. They just want to see that you are forming that curl safely. So I am grabbing my subsection. I am smoothing that hair around the barrel to form a nice curl without any creases. I'm going to roll that down, protecting the client with my comb. Hold that for about 3 seconds. Going to roll back out a little bit and then release the curl. Next, I'm going to form 2 curls on the side of the head. Doesn't matter which side, you can just pick a side. And I'm going to clip this hair over just a bit so I can start on the bottom curl first. I'm going to make sure I get that hair out of her face, so I'm going to clip that over. There we go. Now I'm going to grab my subsection, make sure it's no bigger than my tool. I'm going to comb from the base, smooth that out. I'm once again going to form an on-base curl, so I'm over directing that hair just a wee bit. They do want to make sure that you are not tapping the hair to make sure that it's hot. You just want to protect the client there with the comb. Roll back out and release. Then I'm going to get my next section, no bigger than the size of the tool. Carve that out, make it nice and clean. Comb from the base. Make a nice, smooth, and even curl. Over directing that hair to make an on-base curl. I'm going to hold my comb in between once again. Release that a bit and then release the curl. Once I'm finished, I can set my tools down. I'm going to go ahead and put my comb into to be disinfected, sanitize my hands, and then I'm going to step back to indicate that I am finished with the section. And that's it, folks.